안녕하세요, 잉이입니다. 오늘은 빌리의 새 신발을 사려고 몰로 가고 있어요. 몰, right? More?
More.
Yeah, more.
Maybe that one. That one looks big and juicy.
가는 길에 블랙베리 발견해가지고 하나 먹어보려고요. 먹어도 되나 모르겠네요. Poison? Poison? Really? Poison, really?
I don't think so, but let me search.
하나만 먹어보려 할 때 갑자기 독 있다 그러냐. 아 따가워. 먹어도 되나 이거?
Actually, it says safe.
Safe?
Okay, half.
No, I just do one try. One bubble.
Try together.
Ooh. Sour. 맛없어. 너무 맛없어. 너무 맛없어. 딴 것도 있다. What is this?
Maybe the same thing.
No, different. Looks is different.
Maybe tomato?
Tomato?
Not tomato.
Not tomato.
Maybe tomato actually.
Really? Oh, very juicy. Looks juicy.
This one.
No, the taste is not good.
But this one looks good.
Really?
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah. I'll carry it.
Really? 어 무서워 잠깐만.
Grab it. Grab it.
야, 깜짝이야. 이거 빌리가 갑자기 들어줘가지고 갑자기 땄는데. It's sweet, right?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Worth it.
Worth it?
Worth it.
What? Worth it. Worth it. I'm confused. Worth it, and then.
I'll explain when we study today.
와 왔다.
왔다.
목말라.
Better?
Thirsty. Warmer.
Such a depressing place.
Depressing? Why?
Everyone looks sad inside Walmart.
Oh no.
It's like
Low cost.
low cost but unhappy worker. Do you like shopping?
Not much.
Me too.
Where is Billy's shoes?
Where's my shoes?
Where is Billy's shoes?
You pick. Help me buy, okay?
I like this style.
This one? For me?
Yeah. It's a little younger than
Yeah.
this style.
Yeah. This one is just restaurant worker.
And then also it's good.
How about
So
bright?
nice.
How about something bright?
Bright.
color?
Bright color.
This one?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
And very functional. 싸다. It's mean 30% price down. This cost
Yes.
down, more down. Ooh.
52.5.
Oh, cheap.
Yeah. But I don't like the style.
I think this is not your style, right?
Just too old?
Too old and uncomfortable.
Okay.
Uncomfy.
Oh, you're really thinking about my comfort.
Yeah.
Aw, thank you.
Shoes is most important is comfy.
Yeah.
별론데? 별로 예쁜 게 없는데?
It's probably the best one.
Yeah, probably.
But I'm so mad. Look, this is 87 plus 30%
Oh.
off.
It's the same model, right? No. Another.
Yeah.
But almost same, right?
I don't really like the color.
Oh, really?
But is it
For
worth
30%?
I know.
But 30%, sir? Are you sure, sir? 30% is so big. No way. No way. Don't cheat.
Maybe I'll go to the mall instead.
Yeah, other more. Where's this? Clearance?
Like last season.
아,
season.
2월 상품이구나.
Yeah.
2월 상품 좋지. 오, 이쁜 거 많은데? 왜 이렇게 커 이거? 왜 이렇게 커? What size?
Oh yeah, good.
What size?
It's for my arm.
What size?
This is for my arm.
Oh,
This one was 120 minus 40%.
40%? Oh, it's cool. No?
$48 off.
Oh.
But so it's still $85.
아하. 전혀 제가 신을 게 없어 보이는데요? 나이키. 이게 대충 한 7만 얼마 하겠네요. 7만 원, 8만 원 돈 하겠어요. 그렇게 싸지도 않은 것 같기도 하고. Still expensive. Go.
Yeah.
Other. 다른 가게 한번 가보려고요. 16?
Yeah,
16? 와우, so cheap. 오, 아저씨 싸다 이거. 이것도 50불.
Good?
Good?
You want to see clothes?
No. Actually, I need t-shirts.
Yeah, let's go. I owe you $10, so minus $10.
No, you owe me $2.
Okay, I owe you $20, so
$20.
if you find, minus $20.
Oh, it's good deal. Oh, 9. Oh, 8.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah, find something. See, you can buy two, $20.
Oh, nice. 근데 살 게 없는데?
Ooh. Calvin Klein's a brand, yeah.
Yeah, brand.
Compare at 70,
70.
and then became 40.
40,
and then
22. Wow.
You want to try?
No.
Oh, just
Wow.
just nice.
Yeah, just nice. Yeah.
Maybe it looks like bigger your size, bigger than you.
I think my mom like it. My mom style. Oh, my mom style also. 괜찮은 옷도 많고 괜찮은 신발도 많은데 빌리 마음에 꼭 드는 신발이 없어가지고 지금 여러 곳에 전전긍긍하고 있습니다. 자, 다음은 뉴발란스 가보려고요. 뉴발란스.
Wow. I would like this one.
You really like neon color, right?
Kind of neon and kind of gray.
Neon gray.
150.
Yeah, looks good, but a little expensive, right?
Yeah. I mean, the style's pretty good.
How much is your budget?
200.
100? Very good. Bush.
3 disappointments.
Why are you counting?
I don't know.
Why are you counting your disappointment?
We have to count.
No.
Disappointments,
No.
bad days.
뭐라도 좀 마셔야겠어요. 너무 목말라.
Nitro, yeah. Medium size as well.
빌리가 사줬어요. How much? 마카노.
$3.
$3 and then
$3.
$3. 2,000 얼마 정도 하네요. 이거 지금 스타벅스 왔는데 한국보다 싸다. 자, cheers. It's not at all sweet.
Not at all?
Yeah, I think
A little bit. Want to try
a
this?
little bit. Yeah. Bitter.
It's time to relax.
Yeah. It looks like a beer. 여긴 이렇게 항상 날씨가 너무 좋아요. 빨리 바이크를 따야 되는데 바이크 면허를. 그치 빌리야?
Matcha. Matcha.
맞아.
Matcha. When we get home, I'll finish the beer. I think I can speak better if I'm drunk. Even English is better if I'm drunk.
Yeah. I agree with you.
Really? You feel more confident?
Mm-mm.
But you didn't talk last time. You didn't talk last time.
Last time?
Yeah.
Why?
You're just quiet.
Yeah, because I don't know, maybe tired or depressed or
Depressed? You get depressed?
maybe
Maybe.
maybe
Wow,
not.
I didn't know Ina can become depressed. I thought always happy, 24/7.
Yeah, usually always happy, but sometimes, just a moment.
2 seconds?
Yeah, 2 seconds or 2 to 3 seconds.
2 to 3 seconds. Me too. 2 to 3 seconds,
Yeah.
but 10 times an hour.
Oh.
Like, oh.
비행기 가깝다.
Traders.
좋겠다. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Do you want to see talent? Look.
Eyebrow?
Yeah, like wave. No?
Not much.
Damn it. I'm practicing.
Yeah, sir, you don't have talent.
No talent?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Very thick.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, I mean, I like thick.
You like thick?
Yeah.
Why?
Thick is thick.
Thick is thick. Expensive is expensive.
Yeah.
Thick is thick.
Thick is thick.
Cheap is cheap.
Cheap is cheap. No sweet is no sweet.
Yeah.
이거 마시고 여기는 이제 신발 가게가 없대요. 그래서 저번에 먹었던 포켓바 포켓바 가가지고 그거 맛있게 먹었던 거 다시 사 먹으려고요. 또 지나간다.
Air Canada. Welcome back.
Welcome back. 포켓바 샀어요. 오늘도 캐나다는 평화롭습니다. 아주 평화로워요. Come here, come here. Come here, good boy. Come here, come here. Oh, good boy, good boy, good boy.
Actually, it feels good.
Yeah. 결국 빌리의 신발은 사지 못했고.
Maybe you drink beer.
Drink beer?
Cider.
Huh?
I'll drink the cider.
You want a cider? 이 술이 약간 도수가 낮은 이게 5도밖에 안 하거든요. 되게 단 술인데 이거를 사이더이라고 부른대요. 약간 이슬톡톡 같은 거. 이거 맛있어요. 싸고 마카노? One
cheap, like $8.
one for it?
Like one is $1.
$1. 야, 이거 하나에 900원밖에 안 하네요. I like a poke bar. I too. I love.
You love?
Yeah.
Oh, every day.
I think I'm fall in love with poke bar.
Oh, okay. Still good? Still good?
자, 그럼 이번 영상은 여기까지고요. 저는 내일 또 다른 영상에서 찾아뵙겠습니다.
Cut!